Just weeks after its release, Google has stopped the ability of users of its Gemini AI model to generate images of people. A furor of backlash broke out on social media earlier in the week after Gemini failed to accurately depict people in historical pictures. Now you will see the headlines are far from great and something Google had no idea that were coming at the start of the week or when they released Gemini to the public a couple weeks ago, but they're having some serious issues with their image generation, so much so that they pulled the plug on it, at least as far as generating people, and we don't know when that's going to recover. As you can see, Google to fix AI picture bot, and that's from the BBC. This has even made it across the pond. I don't even think some places around the world have access to Google Gemini. So here we see ABC News as a headline. Google suspends the ability to generate chatbot. Variety has a story about it as well. This has just gone far and wide. Here's another one from Mashable. Google apologizes. Google has already responded to this in a tweet saying, we are already working to address recent issues with Gemini's image generation feature, and it will be re-released as an improved version soon. One of their engineers of Google Gemini has also tweeted out, we are aware that Gemini is offering inaccuracies in some of the historical image generation depictions, and we are working to fix this immediately. However, on social media, Google is definitely taking it on the chin. Here's one of the originators, at least as far as I saw, which felt like this got the ball rolling, from a Frank Fleming who tweeted out that he had some issues trying to get images of Vikings from Gemini, and this really got the ball rolling. And then, as you can see, people just jumped on that, and there was a lot more to come. Here's another one from somebody just trying to get a picture of the founding fathers. And then we have a few more. Here's one from somebody just trying to get pictures of NHL players. And then Paul Graham with this tweet. And it just goes on and on and on. So if we head to Gemini ourselves and try to ask it for, let's try an image of a person wearing a hat. Let's see if this thing is back up and running or if it's still paused. This is Thursday afternoon Eastern time. And let's see if it can come up with something for us. Or in this case, no, we are working to improve Gemini's ability to generate images of people. We expect this feature to return and we'll notify you in release updates when it does. So this is me just trying to get a picture. As you can see, it is not working. But overall, this raises a lot of questions. Sure, the problem comes in Gemini's case of training. Sure, in some instances, as we saw in some of the stories, we had an image of George Washington as a black man, but that answer is pretty clear cut. But if I ask Gemini or an AI model to generate an image of a teacher, how should it respond? Or just a simple person wearing a hat? What's the right answer in that case? What if I'm asking, what if my location is in Asia or Africa or South America? How do these AI models account for or determine diversity? Is it based on actual global proportions, or does location matter? And if it does that change the response? And I guess how do these models arrive at details? Or sorry, not details, but I guess how do these models arrive at defaults if the prompt is vague? And I would say if I ask a model to give me a picture of George Washington, Shouldn't it just give me a picture of George Washington? Why does it have to create it? So, this is going to stay an issue. As for Google, some of their images, as you saw, are just plain wrong. So we'll see how they handle this when it returns. That's it for this quick video. Please drop a like and subscribe for more AI content. See you next time.